Libra, for this month, feels like ikaw ang referee sa isang emotional boxing match. Except, ikaw rin ang isa sa mga fighters. The universe is testing your balance. Hindi lang sa ibang tao, kundi sa sarili mong decisions. Sa love life, this month is all about choices. If single ka, may dalawang energy na papasok. Isa, stable, pero medyo boring. Isa, exciting, pero red flag-ish. Classic Libra dilemma. The lesson, hindi lahat ng nakakakilig ay healthy. If taken ka, communication is your saving grace. Huwag mong iwasan ang difficult conversations. Doon kayo lalalim. Career-wise, collaboration ang highlight. You'll do best when working with others. Pero may challenge. People-pleasing. Hindi pwedeng lagi kang okay lang. Speak your mind. Respectfully. Health? Balance talaga. May tendency kang madrain dahil inuuna mo ang iba. This month, self-care is not optional. It's survival. Compatibility? Gemini and Aquarius. Light and easy flow. Pero sa Capricorn, medyo mabigat ang energy. Lucky color? Rose pink. Lucky number? 7. Final message? Hindi mo kailangang i-please ang lahat para maging okay ang mundo mo. Sometimes, choosing yourself is the real harmony.
Kaswerte! Follow and subscribe kung gusto mo pa ng daily forecast.